Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run this engine, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Valorant easily. So first off, what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and here you need to go to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this DirectX software and then you're going to install it on your computer, and once it's done installing, now what you're going to do is you're going to need to update your graphic card's drivers. So whatever graphics card you have, I'll show you how to do it on both AMD and NVIDIA. So first I'll show you how to do it on an AMD graphics card. You're going to search for AMD GPU here and then go on to the first link from amd.com, and then you're going to click on to resources and support and then click drivers, and then here you're going to click onto graphics and then you're going to click onto Radeon RX, and then you're going to look for your graphics card series. And once you've done looking for your graphics card, you're going to click submit on here and then select your operating system and then download and install the graphics card's driver. And now I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card. You're going to look for NVIDIA GPU and then go on to this first link from nvidia.com. Click on to drivers here, scroll down and just search for your driver product here. Select your operating system and then click start search and it will find the driver for you. Here it is. You're just going to click onto this GeForce Game Ready driver and then you're going to install it. And once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to right click control panel and now you're going to click on to uninstall a program here. And then here you're going to search for C++, and then you're going to look for the one that you have installed the most recent. So for me it is this one. We're going to select the one with the computer icon next to it. So this one for me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to change here, and then you're just going to click on to repair and then let it repair itself. And once it's done repairing, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Valorant, you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.